Judge. Judge. Judge.
Suck no mother, that's enough for the suck no mother. Suck no mother. Gay, what you do? Me gay. Suck no mother.
You see me hear a click in my video? You're not gonna like it. So I'm literally here dumbfounded when I saw this video, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be shocked, surprised, or any of that, because we all know that they're gay people, homosexuals. There's a whole LGBT. We don't know if the Q they are Jamaica yet, but we know they're there. So when I saw this video, the first thing that came to mind was, what would I do if this was my son? Seeing that I am with child, what would I do? How would I feel? Would I beat him to death, or would I just have to accept the fact that he is who he is? And a lot of these homosexual, bisexual people know who they are from a very, very young age. And sooner rather than later, Jamaicans are going to have to face the fact that these people are going to be in our lives and in our community. So the whole Batman for dead and all that is going to have to go out the door, because the same person where try disrespect is the same person that's going to be a doctor, a lawyer, a police officer, and you're going to have to deal with them in society. So whether you like it or not, they're going to be there. And I know it's only a matter of time we see it in the children, and this is what this video is exposing, that it's there in our children already. And when we see these videos over sexualizing these kids, like them little 6-year-old and 5-year-old, they wind up on girl and the dog up on girl, and the little girl them wind up themselves, this is exactly what it leads to. And a lot of people may say the little pitney just a dance, the little pitney just a have fun, but there comes a time when Jamaican people need to put fun and side and play thing aside, because some serious parenting is lacking in our culture, and this is evidence of that. Like big evidence, like it's a big evidence. Like me shocked, me not even have words, like literally dumbfounded when I seen this video. And I don't know if I should be shocked, I don't know if I should be upset, I don't know if I don't know how to feel about this particular video, but it is what it is, and we as Jamaican people have to just accept it and move on, because there's nothing anybody can do about it. You can't sing Batman for dead 5 billion times. You can't burn them out. You can't scorn them. You can't beat them up. There are people that are out there that are willing to fight for stuff like this, and they're going to fight for their rights in our culture and in our community. So whether you like it or not, they're going to be a lesbian, Batman, or transsexual person in a dancer, reggae, entertainment, music, doing movies in Jamaica on your television screen one of these fine days, and you're just gonna have to look past of the fact that them sleep with the same sex. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this video, cause me lost for words and me don't know what to think. There's literally so much stuff going through my head at this point that me don't know what else to say. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.